In this tutorial, we'll show you how to start a new post-processing task in MetaCam Studio to optimize your point cloud data. First, remove the TF card from the device and use the card reader to transfer the project files to your computer. Open MetaCam Studio, click Import, and import your point cloud data folder. The task name defaults to the folder name, but you can always customize it. Then, configure your optimization parameters. Colorizer is enabled by default, generating colorized point clouds and undistorted photos. Select Panorama to generate 360-degree stitched images. This will also automatically enable the colorizer. RTK, control point, and breakpoint resume settings are only available if enabled during scanning. Refer to our dedicated tutorials for more details. Based on your hardware specs and file size, choose between fast or high-quality mode. Balanced mode works for most scenarios. If processing fails, try a different mode based on your site conditions. Once set, click Confirm to start processing. You can monitor the progress in the status bar. Once finished, click View to inspect your optimized point cloud. Click Result to locate the output files in your workspace. Click Origin to open the source data folder. For batch tasks, click Batch to select and import files in bulk. Individual files can also be added or removed manually. In batch mode, your parameters apply to all imported files. However, control point calibration is not yet supported. To review existing data, click Open to add local point clouds to the start screen. You can also simply drag and drop files into the start screen for quick importing.